in processes that may be aging you faster than you realize. Number one, chronic inflammation, and second one, oxidative stress. Often these two go hand in hand, creating a vicious cycle in your body. In this video, we'll explore why they are so harmful, how they work together, and how you can measure them. And most importantly, what you can do to keep them under control. Because these strategies to tackle them both are surprisingly similar. पर इससे पहले हम शुरू करें, आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि why should you listen to me? मैं कोई डॉक्टर थोड़ी हूँ। मैं आपकी तरह एक नॉर्मल इंसान हूँ जो अपना हेल्थ स्पैन, लॉन्जेविटी इंप्रूव करना चाहता है और आज से ही। और इस प्रोसेस में मैं आप सबको सिंपल भाषा में ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ। Understanding inflammation and oxidative stress. Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism against infection, injuries and toxin, जो बहुत ही helpful है। Short term acute inflammation helps you heal, but chronic inflammation से your body stays in a constant state of alarm, जिससे आपके tissues, joints and blood vessels over time damage हो सकते हैं। आपका immune system busy रहता है सारा टाइम और जरूरत पड़ने पे थक जाता है। Meanwhile, oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals overwhelm your body's antioxidant defenses. ये free radicals आपके cell membranes, proteins, even DNA को damage कर सकते हैं, leading to accelerated aging and chronic diseases. But here's the kicker. Chronic inflammation can increase free radical production, contributing to oxidative stress, and oxidative stress can also trigger more inflammation. तो ये एक vicious cycle create करते रहते हैं। एक बढ़ता है तो दूसरा भी बढ़ जाता है। It's a double damage that can make you age faster, store more fat, and feel less energetic. अब जानते हैं कि इन दोनों के कॉमन ट्रिगर्स क्या हैं। डाइट हाई इन प्रोसेस्ड फूड, रिफाइंड शुगर, ट्रांस फैट, आर्टिफिशियल एडिटिव्स कैन स्पार्क इन्फ्लेमेशन एंड फ्लड योर सिस्टम विद फ्री रेडिकल्स। थिंक शुगरी सीरियल्स, प्रोसेस्ड स्नैक्स, फ्राइड फूड, ये सब क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन, ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस में कंट्रीब्यूट करता है। क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस एंड पुअर स्लीप। प्रोलॉन्ग स्ट्रेस आपके कॉर्टिसोल को बढ़ाता है, जिससे इन्फ्लेमेशन एंड फ्री रेडिकल का प्रोडक्शन भी बढ़ता है। लैक ऑफ क्वालिटी स्लीप deprives your body of crucial repair time, fueling both processes. Sedentary lifestyle or overtraining. Exercise in moderation can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, but doing nothing or pushing yourself to extreme without adequate recovery spikes both. So make sure if you're pushing yourself, take enough breaks before you do another intense workout. Environmental toxins, pollution, pesticides, smoking introduce free radicals directly into your body, overwhelming your defenses and sparking inflammation. अगर आप दिल्ली, मुंबई और ऐसी इंडियन सिटीज में रह रहे हो तो ऑलरेडी आप पे बहुत पोल्यूशन का इम्पैक्ट है और ये ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस आपकी बॉडी में ऑलरेडी हाई है। Last is excessive alcohol consumption. While the occasional glass of wine may have antioxidant benefits, frequent और heavy drinking increases inflammation and oxidative levels. अब ऐसे तो ठीक है, inflammation और oxidative stress को measure कैसे करेंगे? अगर आपको अपने inflammation and oxidative stress के score के बारे में जानना है, then there are few tests that can give you insights into your internal health. पर इनकी availability अभी थोड़ी कम है and cause भी काफी vary करता है. I have added the link to the test in the description below. पहले जानते हैं inflammation markers के बारे में, जैसे C-reactive protein, ESR, cytokines, and oxidative stress measure करने के लिए there are multiple tests. All these tests you can find over here. So keep in mind that some of these tests may not be routine in every medical practice, so you would likely need to request them specifically or consult with an integrative and functional medicine practitioner. The combined damage. When chronic inflammation and oxidative stress साथ में combine होते हैं, they create a downward spiral. The more one is stimulated, the more it aggravates the other. This can accelerate aging at the cellular level, manifesting as wrinkle, fatigue, stubborn belly fat, and a high risk of chronic disease like heart disease and diabetes. Integrated approach to reduce both. Number one is whole foods, antioxidant rich diet. Base your meals on colorful diets and veggies. These are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale are top notch for battling free radicals and easing inflammation. Healthy fats. Incorporate avocados, nuts, seeds, fatty fish like salmon for anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Reduce processed food. Avoid refined carbs, sugary drinks, packaged snacks that spike blood sugar and fuel inflammation. मेरी सुनो तो सारे processed foods को घर से निकाल दो. Mindful movement. Try करो moderate exercise करने का like brisk walk, yoga और strength training most days of the week. This will boost immune function and helps neutralize free radicals. Overall balance is key. Overtraining can raise cortisol levels, so include rest days. So अगर आपने 5 दिन workout किया है heavy, तो 2 दिन अपने आप को break दो. Stress management and quality sleep. Meditation, deep breathing or short mindfulness breaks, even 5 minutes, can lower stress hormones significantly. 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep lets your body repair and regenerate. Turn off screen 30 minutes before bed, keep your room cool and create a bedtime ritual. Supplement wisely. While a whole food based diet is best, some nutrients offer extra support. For example, omega-3 fish oil, lower inflammation markers. Curcumin, which is a turmeric extract, potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Green tea extract, known for strong antioxidant properties. CoQ10 or alpha-lipoic acid helps manage oxidative stress. Remember guys, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Lifestyle and environmental modifications. Quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, and reducing exposure to pollutants if possible. Even adding air purifying plants at home or using quality air filter can lessen the toxic load. Practical daily routine, something that I have incorporated in my life and have seen a lot of change. Kickstart your day with water and a dose of lemon for antioxidants. Opt for balanced breakfast, oatmeal with berries, eggs with spinach or avocado. Midday reset. Take a quick walk or stretch. Lunch, load up on veggies, roast them with lean protein like chicken or tofu. Afternoon power-up. Swap sugary snacks for antioxidant-rich options. Nuts, seed, or even small bowl of berries. Even if you need caffeine, choose green tea over sugary coffee drinks. Evening wind down. Dinner should be protein plus veggies like salmon, broccoli, lentil, and sweet potato bowl. Before bed, try a 5-minute meditation or journaling session to calm the mind. And aim for lights out at a consistent time. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are like a tag team working against your health and longevity. ये तो हम समझ ही गए हैं. But in targeted lifestyle choices के help से eating an antioxidant packaged food, exercising moderately, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and checking your markers through specific tests, you can slow their damaging effect. You will not only age more gracefully, but you will also be more energetic and enhance your overall wellness. That's it for today guys. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Share it with a friend and subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, longevity and fat loss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay strong, stay limitless.